Hello, guys. Welcome back to um, our next episode for the Ganitheo lang yan, where we teach you different ways on how to do things on your computer. So, from our previous video, um, I said I'm going to teach you how to create or how to automate the page numbering because in Microsoft Word, because most of the students or most of the students would just do it manually, like they they would, let's say, I have some items here, or some I have written things here, and then once I reach a certain point, I would just put the page number there, and then and so on. I type something on Microsoft Word, and then reach a certain point again, page number. So that is a very tedious part of the job or the task, since page numbering can be done automatically using Microsoft Word. So how are we going to do that? Ganito lang yan. So Microsoft Word has what we call as the header and the footer. The header and the footer. Header is where we, for the header to show, just double click at the top part um, of your paper, of the document, and it will appear the header and footer tools menu. Okay. It can be edited. For example, you want it to be smaller, just have to header from top to lessen it. Okay, as you can see, it's moving. um, yeah, so what we usually put on the header, especially for documents submitted to your schools, or school name. For example, I have here let's say Santa Ana Fishery National High School. Okay, and then Santa Ana again. Okay, so whenever I put something in here on my header, it it will appear on every document. So let's say, see, as you can see, it's in here. You still have Santa Ana here. You have Santa Ana Fishery National High School here. Same goes with the footer. For example, for your footer, let's say I add um, the principal, the name of the principal. In every document, you'll see the principal there. Okay, so that's for your header and your footer. Now, you want to add page numbers. As you can see here, there is an option to add page number. Just click that one. You can put the page number at the top of the page, at the bottom of the page margins, or uh, wherever you want, wherever top or bottom, wherever you want it located. So let's say Microsoft Word has a lot of styles where you can choose how you want your page numbers to be written. So let's just use this one. Oh, that's the top. Bottom. Let's just use bottom page numbers. Okay. So it will appear in here. I can still add the principal if ever I want to. I can also edit this one. Okay. So you have principal page 1, page 2, page 3, and so on. So I can do that. Um, you can change um, you can change the shape, um, or you could add effects on it, um, whatever you want it to appear, but do not touch the numbering. Now, there are some questions wherein, what if I want to start it with number 2 or page 2? So just go to page number, format page numbers. Okay. Start at 2. Then page 1, instead of page 1, it will give you 2, 3, and so on. You can also change the page, how you want the formatting. So you can use the small eyes. Mostly, some would have their eye as their first, as their main page. I mean, the title page, the forward, or whatever, if you're creating a book. So things like that. So yeah, that's how you add page numbers, how you also use header and footer for your documents. And yeah, so that's another episode of our Ganitheo Lang Yan. And if you have, like what I've been saying, if you have some questions, you want to learn something, just add it on the comment section. I'll do my best to teach it to you. Okay? Okay, good. Well, see you again next time for another episode of Ganitheo Lang Yan, only here on YouTube. Please don't forget to subscribe, share it with your friends, and watch more, and wait for more videos, tutorials on the different things. Thank you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe on YouTube. Just search for Ganitheo Lang Yan and click on subscribe.